In the far eastern reaches of the Indonesian archipelago, a giant slept. Mount Tambora, silent, fertile, peaceful. For centuries its slopes gave life to farmers and fishermen. But deep beneath its calm surface, pressure was building, waiting for the moment to awaken. Then in early April 1815, the island began to change. The ground shook, wells bubbled, birds vanished from the forest. Nature whispered warnings, but no one understood the language of the earth. On the night of April 10th, 1815, the mountain roared. The explosion tore through the sky, a sound so loud it reached Batavia, Sulawesi, even Australia. The sky glowed red, and the earth itself trembled. Tambora had awakened, and the world would never be the same. Within hours, daylight vanished. The island was plunged into darkness. Ash fell for days, covering everything. Trees, homes, oceans. For those who survived, every breath carried the taste of ash and silence. At the foot of the mountain stood the kingdom of Tambora, a thriving center of trade and culture. In a single night, it vanished beneath ash and fire. When explorers returned decades later, they found no trace of its people, only whispers buried in the dust. Tambora's power reached far beyond Indonesia. Ash circled the globe, blocking sunlight for months. In 1816, the world faced the year without a summer. Crops failed, rivers froze, and hunger swept across continents. A mountain in Sumbawa had changed the climate of the earth. Today, scientists know what happened deep below. A massive magma chamber collapsed after the eruption, leaving a caldera 7 kilometers wide and more than a kilometer deep. Tambora's eruption was the largest in recorded human history, 1,000 times stronger than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. More than 2 centuries later, Tambora is silent again. The forests have returned. Life thrives where death once reigned. Nature remembers, but it also forgives. Indonesia sits on the Ring of Fire, one of the most powerful and dangerous regions on Earth. Here, millions live side by side with volcanoes. Tambora reminds us that beauty and danger often share the same soil. If Tambora had been just a little stronger, Sumbawa might have split apart, and the map of Indonesia, the one we know today, would look very different.